Hello everyone, it's Carrie, and today I have a fun project using these Artesprix Permanent Thermal Transfer markers, also known as sublimation markers. This is the size of these markers. They're pretty thin, and I had the idea to use them in my Silhouette Cameo. Now, the Silhouette Cameo pens that you use are rather thick. So see that comparison? So in order to use these pens in your Cameo, you do need to get the pen adapter kit. So this is the pen adapter kit. I just got this off Amazon, and it has 3 different sizes, a small, a medium, and a large. And here's what I found works best with the Silhouette. Now, this took me a while to figure out, and so hopefully this will help some of you. But the way that I got this to work was to use the gray color pen, which is the large. You wouldn't think this at first because if you put your marker in, it still has a lot of give to it. But there is a trick. You'll take this pen cap, and it's got some little threads inside that you thread this gray marker in. Or I'm sorry, the gray adapter. So push your sublimation marker pen in and then thread it into the cap. And you'll get it nice and tight, so this is not going to move. And you're probably wondering, well, now what do you do? And you just need to take off this pen cap right here. And your marker tip should show up through the end there. Just a touch. Can you see that? Okay. So now you'll go and take it to your Silhouette and put it in the holder and twist to keep it secure. Now I'm going to take you over to the Silhouette. It's on the other side of the craft room, and so I'll show you just how it's done. I've already chosen this image from the Silhouette store, and I've mirror imaged it by clicking Object Mirror and flipped it horizontally. Now all you need to do is choose your material type to be the copy paper, choose the blade type to actually be the sketch pen, and then send it to your Silhouette. It's so easy to do. Hopefully you've already done this before and you kind of know this part of it. But here we have the pen making that design on the paper just perfectly, and I was just so delighted to see this because with the Silhouette now you have a whole world of opportunity available for your sublimation markers and ironing those designs on. I mean, the opportunities are endless. So I'm going to put this on a pot holder. I think it's going to be so great for our cooking class coming up next week. So now that we have our design ready to go, you want to make sure you take this pen out and put the lid back on. We definitely don't want these markers drying out because there's a lot we can do with them. So here is the finished file, and I got this off the Silhouette online store. And I just went to the dollar store and I found a bunch of things that were polyester, and one of them is this pot holder. And so you'll want to look on here. It says here the front is 100% polyester. So that is a good sign. So what we're going to do is take this. I'm going to tape it on. I may cut around this so I can tape it on there. In fact, that's what I will do. We're going to put it on this way and hopefully get that as centered as I can. And I'm going to take this heat resistant tape that came in the kit and tape this down. And I just cut it into 2 pieces. It was a long strip. I cut it into 2 pieces, and I'll use both those pieces here. All right, now I'm just going to go heat set that with my iron. It says here, use a high setting, no steam, firm pressure, keep iron moving for 1 to 5 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, so here's the project. I did put a piece of paper over the top. You can use the paper that came in the kit. This paper came in the kit just for that purpose. And I found that my tape didn't stick very well to the hot pad, but look how cute. I got a little bit of ghosting, and I think it's because I have to pick my iron up and put it back down every few seconds because it has an automatic turn off mode. So if you had a crooked easy press and could just leave it on there, that's even better. Here's what it looks like when you iron it on. And isn't that fun? So fun. So I tried it a second time, and this time I used 4 pieces of tape to keep it down, and I think it turned out so great. This time I didn't have the ghosting. It turned out perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this project today using the sublimation markers from the March Hedgehog Hollow kit. For more information, visit my blog. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for stopping by. Here are some more videos that you might be interested in. One of them is the introduction to sublimation markers, giving you a little more information about these markers, how to use them, and what you need. Thank you so much. I hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.